Really cool new feature in HubSpot. They just announced the ability to connect your workflows directly with Google Sheets. So you can see we're in here in a workflow, and we're going to go to a new action, and you click Connect an App over here. We're just going to search for Google Sheets. This is going to take you through a quick login wizard. It just takes a second. Go. You probably can't see this. And you could always do this with something like Zapier, but as you can see, this is extremely easy. You just have to log in for yourself, and I'm going to refresh this page. And now if you go to Available Actions and go down to the bottom, you can see Google can create a new row in a sheet. So I have this spreadsheet, new HubSpot contacts. Boom, it's the first one there. I'm going to select my sheet. Then I'm going to select my header. I'm going to flip over here and give it some headers, actually. So let's just quickly do first name, last name. We'll do recent conversion. We'll do first page seen. And we'll do create date. Seems like a good start. All right, if we come back here, let's see, and we'll refresh this quickly to make sure we can grab all our new values. So again, spreadsheet, sheet 1, first name, and then we're just going to select our property for first name. So if we search in here, first name, now we're going to do last name, same thing, last name, okay, recent conversion, there we go, recent conversion. And you can see you could do this for any properties that exist in your HubSpot portal. All right, first page seen, and then our last one, create date. All right, and save. So now all we have to do is put some people through this workflow. So in this case, if we're adding all of our new contacts to a spreadsheet as they come in, I'm just going to start with anyone who has a create date of this month. So after the first of the year. And then when we turn this on, we're going to make sure that we enroll everybody who already has this. And then going forward, it's going to drop these people in as well. So if new contacts are imported, or if new contacts are filling out forms, interacting with your chat, etc., all of them are going to get captured in this spreadsheet. So if you start thinking about the possibilities here, really any of your information within HubSpot, you're immediately able to dump into a Google Sheet and translate that however you see fit. Let's see how this is doing. Nothing yet, but let's see what our history looks like. Oh, let's see. That doesn't seem right. Maybe it's just running slow tonight. We'll give it a couple minutes. Okay, so now it's been about 45 seconds, but you can see we have a whole group of people. They've been dropped in here. We can now see our history here, and pretty cool. Please reach out with any questions. We'd love to show more.